This is a 3-bedroom flat, typical 3-bedroom flat. Open plan kitchen, small dining area. As you can see, that's a sitting room, that's a veranda. Well, this is actually a committed flat, so the owner has made all the specifications. It comes with all the fixtures, extractor, and all the necessary things that make the kitchen interesting for madame. This is the guest toilet. Okay, so that's the entrance. This flat is on the first floor, and we'll go straight to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. All the rooms are en suite. Typical master bedroom with a wardrobe. And then there are two other rooms. All the rooms are en suite, like I said. This is the second bedroom with wardrobe, and it's en suite. And this is the third bedroom with a wardrobe, and it's en suite. All right, so Mr. Ben, there you go. This is a beautiful place to be in, and well, every flat comes with an inverter, and also there's electricity and there's a generator in the complex, in the estate. Thank you.